Five. So, can we get an open Play-Doh?
So here we have Play-Doh. And what's your name?
Leo.
Yeah, Leo. And remember me, Kaylina. So we're gonna open this Play-Doh. Leo, what is this?
A whale.
This?
A hammer shark.
And this?
An octopus.
And do you know what that is?
A hammer crab.
Good job. So let's open it up. Let's see what color it is. What color is that?
It's white.
That
Pink. Light blue.
What color is that?
It's yellow.
Okay, let's move these right here.
What's that? Orange. Green. Purple. Pink. What's that? The brown.
This one?
Green. Purple. That's a lot of Play-Doh.
Dark blue, orange, and that last color is?
Wow, so much colors. Okay, we have color more.
This. There is one more. Okay. So what should we build?
We have to build shark.
A shark? What color do you want to pick?
Yeah, like this.
What kind of yellow? This yellow or this?
This.
Okay.
So let's open it.
I think I'm gonna make
What?
a blue shark.
Huh?
So we're gonna open this.
Nee. Yeah, you forgot purple. Where's? There he is. For white.
Let's take it out.
And help me.
Just put your finger in and get it out.
I can't.
So, what do you want to make?
A hammerhead shark. I mean a shark.
You can do any type of shark you want.
A shark, I said. Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, so many Play-Doh, a baby shark, and a puppy shark. Okay, so how
Here you go.
Ah! Boing, boing.
And more.
Oh yeah. There's more.
No, there's no more. I have more though.
Leave me white.
What? Okay. So I'm gonna make a shark.
I'm gonna
Okay,
make, I'm gonna make a baby shark.
Hold on. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sharks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to drive. So